Beyoncé has been working with the Les twins since 2011. Their partnership ceased for several years, however, fans were thrilled to see the three amigos reunite for this year's Renaissance tour. However, nobody is as grateful for their grand return as Beyoncé after her recent wardrobe malfunction. Clips are circulating around social media of one of the Les twins saving the day. In mid-choreography, he notices Beyoncé's dazzling pink dress was on the verge of betrayal as her breast began to fall out of place. He then sprung into immediate action as he subtly incorporated a dance move into swiftly uplifting Beyoncé's garment back into place, followed by placing her hand over her troubled area. All of this was done so smoothly that it was questionable that it actually happened. It's so amazing how Beyoncé not only maintained her vocals during this whole ordeal and trusting the Les twin in this random moment of uncertainty. These talents are true professionals. Share your thoughts in the comments section below.